Cards website tutorial for beginners. So hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create a free website using Cards. So let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, you have to go to your browser and search for card.co, and there you can see this interface right here. You can use any web browser you wish to. For example, it can be anything, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Chrome, etc. For now I'm using Chrome. Now you have to tap on to choose a starting point. Also, if you have previously used Card, you can simply tap on to login, and then you can log in easily. You have to enter your email and password, then you have to log in, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Also, you can choose a starting point by clicking on it. You have to choose a starting point. Here you can see this a lot of template, previously made templates which Cards provide to their customer. Now here you can see this the premium icon, like the premium text at the top right corner of many templates. These are the ones which are basically the premium one. That means you need to buy Cards Premium or Pro, you can say, in order to use them. But don't worry, Card also offer various free demo templates. As you can see here, these ones are not saying premium, that means they are free. So let's get started with one. So I'm gonna choose this one. This one looks pretty nice, so just tap onto them, and there we go. As you can see it, we are in the Card interface. So from here you can change everything you wish to change. So let's start with the text. In order to change your text from here, just choose the text right here, just tap onto it, and from there you can easily change the text. For example, I'm gonna type subscribe for more, subscribe for more. So that's it. Now let's say I want to edit this text to bold or italic. Just tap onto bold and italic, then you will be able to turn it into that. For example, let's choose the text. Okay, let's choose it, and let's scroll down and type bold. Okay, no, for now let's change the color of the text. So from here you can change the color of the text if you wish to. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it into white because it looks pretty much nice. Okay, so that's enough. Now let's say I want to change the font of this text. So here you can see this font option under the color, text color option. Here you can choose your chosen font easily. For example, this one. Here we can see, now you can change its size if you wish to, or you can make it smaller. So for now, this is perfect. You can also change its weight, like its depth. Here you can see. So this is the perfect one. You can also choose the line spacing, letter spacing if you wish to. Okay, and you can also choose this indent if you wish to. Here you can see this. Okay, that's okay. You can choose weight if you want, and all other things. Just play around and choose your appearance. Okay, so there we go. That's it. Now you can also gradient those text if you wish to. So let's gradient it. Here you can see it has been gradiented. You can also choose them. So this now looks pretty much nice, right? Okay, now you can also choose the angle of the text, I mean the gradient color. Here you can see this. For me, this one is perfect, and you can also stop it if you wish to. Okay, so that's it. Now you have to tap onto done, and the text will be saved. So you can do it for the every text right here very easily. So here you can see the text. You can just edit them as I just showed you earlier in this video. You can change its icon to document, CV, copy, etc. And then you have to tap done. You can also use them, but for this you have to for the on click option, you just have to use the Card Pro one. So for now, tap done. Now let's say you want to change the background color of this website homepage. So simply tap onto the background, and from there you will be able to check out the colors of the back. Okay, so there we go. But I would like to add a gradient color to it, so let me choose a gradient color from here. Okay, for now I guess that's pretty much it. Now let's increase the thickness. No, the thickness is not looking that nice. Okay, you can now choose the pattern like this if you wish to, because these patterns are available here. This one is perfect, I guess. Yes. Now let's tap done, and that's pretty much it. That's it. How your website will be looked later. Now let's see. You want to see the the website on mobile preset. So at the top right corner you can see this mobile icon, and from there you can check out the mobile preview. Okay, on the mobile preview it does not look that nice, so just let me go back and fix it. Wait, let's go to computer site. Now let's tap onto this, and first of all let me make a gradient color right from here, and let me choose this one. Okay, that's okay, that's nice. Okay, now let me edit this a little bit extra. Now tap done. So as you can see, this looks pretty much nice. Now let's say you want to change the icon, then you have to tap onto this icon or right click on them. No, just tap onto this icon. Now you can choose the icons, and you can add your link, ID link, or etc. For example, you can copy your Instagram profile's link and paste it, and then tap done. Then whenever someone clicks on this Instagram icon, they will be redirected to your Instagram page. So that's it. This is how you can use cart. Now let's say you want to publish it. At the top right corner you can see this option. This is the publish option. Now you have to enter your name, email address, your password, and then you have to enter title for this. For example, I'm gonna write down subscribe. So now that's pretty much it. Now let's add a name. Okay, that's pretty much nice. Now you have to enter descriptions, and scroll down and check out all of this. Now you have to tap on to save, and as you can see it is now publishing. So that's it. Now notification email has been sent to my email address. You just have to confirm them, then you can publish it and use it by buying it. So here you can see this your dashboard and etc. So that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.